Welcome to this video presentation about Starter Kit. The Starter Kit is a modular mobile cabinet designed to reduce the time between delivery of Watt&Well products and the first safe and successful charge of an electric vehicle. This system includes a variety of Watt&Well equipment to allow efficient and user-friendly EVSE research and development. It includes 2 power units, a DIN rail stacked with AC protections, DC SECC boards, DC contactors for modular serialization or parallelization of the power units on the charge points, 2 CCS charge points. 4 different versions are available for the starter kit to accommodate the need of unidirectional or bidirectional charging within an AC to DC or DC to DC power ecosystem. They differ by the type of power unit included. Now, we are going to go through the physical interfaces of the starter kit. A first power input is either the AC 3-phased grid connection or a DC power input. A second power input is the monophased input. The starter kit features 2 CCS charge points. On the front panel, a variety of commands and interfaces are available: circuit breakers, on-off buttons, feedback LEDs, an emergency shutdown push button, Ethernet ports, USB ports, CAN bus for communication between SECC boards, power modules, and external devices, RS-485 port for external devices, such as RFID tag reader. Watt&Well EVIs included in the starter kit feature a graphical user interface. This graphical user interface allows users to set up, launch, and monitor electric vehicle charging or V2G sessions. The EVSE control view. Once the SECC supervision mode is activated, this view allows the user to set up charge limitations, to allocate power units to a charge point, to send signals to control the charge, to dynamically switch between charge and V2G, to get feedback on the charging session.
The EVSE is an extension board included in the starter kit.
It allows to drive contactors and check their status. It also allows to drive a PWM output for various applications. This view allows to drive EVSE outputs and displays feedbacks from its API. From this view, it is also possible to upload files with presets for the contactor configuration. Starter Kit is a platform to help customer adopt Watt&Well products, BMPU, MPU, EVI, implement new supervisor logic, reduce the time to market of their electric vehicle charging, and V2G products development. If you need more information about this product and other Watt&Well solutions, please contact our teams.